Astrology, the ancient practice of interpreting the cosmos, offers a fascinating lens through which we can explore our inner light and forge a deeper connection with the universe. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to unveil the spiritual depths of 4 zodiac signs: the ever-questing Sagittarius, the determined Capricorn, the innovative Aquarius, and the deeply intuitive Pisces. By understanding the unique connection each sign has with the cosmic energy, we can unlock hidden pathways to deeper self-awareness and spiritual growth. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss a beat as we explore more insightful explorations into the world of astrology and spirituality. Now let's get into it. Sagittarius quest for meaning. Imagine a fearless archer standing atop a mountain peak, their bow outstretched, not towards a physical target, but towards a distant star. This image embodies the spirit of Sagittarius, the eternal optimist and seeker of truth. Ruled by expansive Jupiter, the planet of growth and exploration, Sagittarius individuals possess an insatiable curiosity and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Their connection to the fire element translates into a passionate approach to spirituality. They're not content with following well-worn paths. They're the philosophical explorers, the ones who delve into diverse spiritual traditions, seeking a deeper understanding of the universe and their place within its vastness. Think of a scholar traversing continents in search of ancient wisdom, each step a testament to their unwavering faith in the transformative power of exploration. Perhaps a Sagittarius finds spiritual fulfillment in embarking on pilgrimages to sacred sites around the globe, immersing themselves in diverse religious traditions and uncovering the universal threads that bind humanity together. Or maybe they're drawn to philosophical discussions that challenge their existing beliefs and ignite a spark of curiosity about the vastness of the unseen. They might find themselves engrossed in debates about the nature of reality, the existence of higher consciousness, or the meaning of life itself. However, dear Sagittarius, your relentless pursuit of the next horizon can sometimes lead to a restlessness within. Remember, true growth often comes from moments of introspection. Take time to integrate the wisdom gleaned from your journeys. The most profound discoveries might lie not in distant lands, but within the depths of your own soul. Pause and reflect on the experiences that have shaped your worldview. By quieting your mind and turning your gaze inwards, you might discover a wellspring of wisdom and a deeper connection to your spiritual essence. The determined path of Capricorn. Now, let's shift our focus from the boundless sky to the firm foundation of the earth. Here we encounter the determined spirit of Capricorn. Unlike Sagittarius's adventurous leaps, Capricorn finds spiritual connection through structure, discipline, and a deep respect for tradition. Imagine a skilled architect meticulously crafting the blueprints for a magnificent edifice, each step a deliberate act of creation. That's the essence of Capricorn spirituality. They find meaning and purpose in establishing a solid foundation for their spiritual journey, often drawn to practices that emphasize self-mastery and personal accountability. Perhaps a Capricorn finds spiritual fulfillment in dedicated meditation practices that require discipline and perseverance. The quiet focus and structured approach allow them to cultivate inner peace and build a strong foundation for their spiritual growth. Or maybe they're drawn to established spiritual traditions with a rich history and a clear path of advancement. The lineage and established practices offer a sense of security and stability, allowing them to progress steadily on their spiritual path. But Capricorn, your love for structure can sometimes lead to an aversion to change. Remember, even the most magnificent building needs occasional renovations to adapt to the changing world. While tradition and structure provide a valuable foundation, be open to exploring new spiritual practices that might challenge your established routine. You might be surprised by the unexpected growth and insights they offer. Stepping outside your comfort zone and experimenting with new practices can lead to a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. Aquarius progressive spirituality. Now, we take flight with the unconventional Aquarius, the visionary of the zodiac. Ruled by Uranus, the planet of innovation and rebellion, Aquarius individuals possess a progressive mindset and a desire to challenge the status quo. Their air element translates into a dynamic and unconventional approach to spirituality. They're the rebels with a cause, the ones who yearn to break free from traditional constraints and forge new paths towards a more enlightened world. They're drawn to practices that emphasize social justice and global consciousness, striving to create a spiritual path that benefits all beings, not just themselves. Perhaps an Aquarius finds spiritual fulfillment in volunteering with organizations that promote peace and understanding across cultures. Working to break down barriers and foster a sense of unity allows them to express their humanitarian spirit and contribute to a more harmonious world. Or maybe they're drawn to emerging spiritual practices that emphasize technology and innovation as tools for personal and collective growth. They might be the first to explore virtual reality meditation experiences or utilize technology to connect with like-minded spiritual seekers across the globe. Although, dear Aquarius, your visionary spirit can sometimes lead to a disconnect from the physical world. Remember, even the most revolutionary ideas need a foundation in reality to be truly transformative. While your mind races with possibilities, ground yourself in practices that connect you to the present moment. This could be anything from spending time in nature to practicing mindfulness meditation. By anchoring yourself in the present, you can translate your innovative ideas into practical actions that have a tangible impact on the world. Remember, it's the embodiment of your visions that truly creates positive change. Pisces intuitive journey. Finally, we arrive at the ethereal realm of Pisces, the last of our featured signs. Pisces, ruled by Neptune, the planet of dreams and illusions, possess a deep well of intuition and a profound connection to the unseen realms. Their connection to the water element translates into a profoundly spiritual connection with the collective unconscious and the mysteries of existence. They're not afraid to delve into the depths of their emotions and explore the boundless realms of imagination. Their spiritual journey is often guided by dreams, visions, and a deep sense of interconnectedness with all beings. Perhaps a Pisces finds spiritual fulfillment in artistic expression, channeling their inner visions and emotions into music, painting, or poetry. By expressing their unique perspective on the world, they can connect with others on a soul level and inspire a sense of wonder and beauty. Or maybe they're drawn to mystical traditions that explore altered states of consciousness and the subtle realms of existence. Meditation practices, dream analysis, or energy healing might hold particular appeal for them, offering pathways to explore the unseen dimensions of reality. But listen closely, dear Pisces. Your boundless empathy can sometimes lead to a blurring of boundaries. Remember, self-care is essential on your spiritual path. It's easy to get lost in the emotions of others, but neglecting your own needs can lead to exhaustion and resentment. Learn to discern your own needs from those of others and create healthy boundaries so you can fully embrace the gifts of your boundless compassion. By establishing a sense of self-care, you become a vessel for healing, not just for others, but also for yourself. You'll have a greater capacity to offer empathy and understanding while maintaining your own emotional well-being. As we conclude our exploration of these 4 zodiac signs, remember, dear viewers, that your astrological makeup is just one thread in the intricate tapestry of your being. Your spiritual journey is a unique and ever-evolving adventure, shaped by your experiences, beliefs, and aspirations. Use the insights gleaned from your zodiac sign as a compass to guide your exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different practices, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and most importantly, trust the whispers of your intuition. Remember, the greatest spiritual discoveries await you, not just in the vast expanse of the cosmos, but also within the depths of your own compassionate and ever-evolving soul. We'd love to hear about your unique spiritual journeys. Share your stories and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Your continued support means everything to us. Have a beautiful day. Until next time, nurture your light.